So many billion people all around your planet that I turn to heaven. Then I look into your eyes that I was born for you. Lord, I offer my life to you. Everything else we do. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Thank you for loving me, even in my eyes. God give me you and show me what feel. That's how I feel. I'm more than a word.